Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we are working on the diversion of the Lagos to Calabar coastal road, and I'm glad to present this video for you because it's a video I've been trying to do for a long time now, and finally I have the chance to do it. So looking at the construction, you see that this side of the road is very narrow, making it which means it's very slim or very lean, or how will I put it. Just looking at the road, you could tell the road was not big enough. So the reason why the road was diverted is because they want to minimize the number of demolition that was going to be done around this place. And as you can see, this road diversion really helped save lots of buildings, such as that one, and also the ones right there. So this road diversion was actually one of the best. So there's a lane here and there's a lane over the other side. Don't worry, we'll cover all that on today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. Watch this video to the end to discover a lot more you actually don't know about the Lagos to Calabar coastal project. This Lagos to Calabar coastal highway is meant to be a 6-lane road. Yeah, 6-lane road. So there's nothing changed actually. It's still gonna be a 6-lane road. But instead of being on the same road like this, so it's gonna be over there. As you can see, they're still doing land reclamation over there. So that there's a caterpillar there and there's a boat there pulling out sand from the ocean and reclaiming the land. So this is part of the work that is being done, and also this is an amazing project. Looking at the construction, the cost, the fast pace of this construction, you could tell that really it's a big one and it's worth the time, energy, and also investment. There are a lot of investors who really put money into this, and there are some who lost money, that's losing property during the construction. And this is not to discourage anyone, trust me, this is gonna also help boost the economy, the way of movement, and also reduce travel time in Lagos to Calabar in Nigeria as general. So this is a good project. To me, I would say this is a very good project, and I believe you also feel the same. This Lagos to Calabar coastal road, the diversion was done around the 3rd kilometer all the way to 5th kilometer, where the road came back to meet again. And from there, it went ahead to Jakonde area and the rest. So this road diversion and also the coming together of the road again really minimize the demolition of houses and also make way for buildings to be along the coastal road, and also make it more futuristic because the drainage was also constructed, which will be linking the Eco-Atlantic City together with the Lagos to Calabar coastal road, making it a very free road without flood disturbance and water spoiling the road in the nearest future. So looking at this project, you could tell it's a good one and also an amazing project that is definitely going to help Nigeria in the long run. And this is not a project that's going to be completed in the year 2025. Actually, you and I know that. But with the speed of this project, you could tell that at least in the space of 2-3 years, and sorry, that was very noisy. So in the space of 2-3-4 years, this project should be done and completely handed over to the public to be used. And also, a lot of people are talking about the trees not being planted. The construction is still going on, so there's no way trees are going to be planted currently until the road is built completely. Then there will be spaces for tree planting and the rest. So talking about the width of the road, that's from this end right here all the way to that end, which basically could take about 3 cars on the same time standing straight according to each other. So the width of this road is about 20 feet, That's about 7 to 8 meters, and it's very very wide. Trust me, if this is a single lane, it's definitely enough, and it's actually good. So, and there are six of these that's gonna be constructed. So this is just one, about 20 feet in width, and this is how it is. So you could tell it's very wild and very very clean. The concrete reinforcement was really done properly, and you feel the road is solid. Even while walking, yeah, I know I don't have weight, but while walking, it's actually it feels solid. And cars driving by, you don't feel that vibration of shaking or something like that. It just feels solid without any shaking. And these are the kind of road that is definitely needed in country like this, where because after the construction of this coastal road, I'm very very sure trucks like Dangote, Cement Company, and the rest, those heavy duty trucks are definitely gonna ride on this, and this kind of road is gonna suit them properly because they won't be able to demolish or spoil anything along this road. So I believe this road is a perfect fit for the future.